What's up, you guys? Back on a trail and got Nathan and his wife Mariah in town. So stoked to have them back.
Oh yeah, stoked to be here.
And we're gonna go for a little tour on some Snyder's knobs, so tag along. All right, first we gotta get around this rock right here. It's a janky little tight spot. Like that. Probably the worst ever. Yeah, very much so is. Now coming up here to this next set of rocks, there's a left line, or you can go to the right up over the rock. All right, we're gonna go ahead and stop right here real quick because this is the business. Well, I don't know how this camera position is gonna work, y'all, because it's like the first time ever using the chest mount. I don't know, maybe it needs to go down a little bit. Right there, maybe, I don't know. We'll find out. So, this little gem right here, typically you just roll right off the edge here. Right. Or you got the line that comes down, and as long as you get in this little lane right here, you can roll the rocks down. It's pretty good. Nice. Let's go to the next one. Since these three are super close, we're just gonna go ahead and walk them real quick. But yeah, that is that one has the ride around. This one has a ride around. The third one has a ride around, and then there's no ride around for the rock garden at the bottom. So to the right at this feature, just like that one, is your ride around. But you can just kind of center line through here, cruise it through here, get onto this rock, and down we go. And this one's pretty well built. You got a nice little pathway down here. Whoop, whoop.
That's nice.
Yeah, man. So pretty brilliant. And then the third feature. Now this one used to be actually pretty ultra scary because when you come up here, it used to not have all the rocks in the middle. Oh, really? Yeah, they went and filled all this in, but this was actually a gap right here. Oh, wow. So you're like really just like this little thin area when you come railing up here, and then you drop down. So
oh yeah,
for safety's sake they did that because it's a nice little roll down on that bottom side.
Yeah.
All right, but then we'll just walk it. It's right here. It's just the rock garden, but it's the main portion. As you can see, there's ride arounds everywhere.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Move that janker. Get that mech killer out of the way. All right, so you roll around here. You got this little stubborn rock to roll over. Nothing treacherous. When you get down here, you want to stay right for the B line, A line. Go to the left. Come up here. But you got a pretty smooth line through here. Just watch this one. That is a good getter. Yeah. But then once you're into here, it's literally just peg it right down this line, straight through here. And when you get to this rock, it's pretty much smooth sailing with a few pump pedals out. And then at the very end of it, stay right, and there's a little rock roll down. It's nothing too crazy. Okay. All right, let's get back up to the rigs. Such a fantastic day out.
Ready?
Everybody ready? Drop it in to some nonsense. Phew. Exactly. Boom. That is the business. So good. Brilliant, Nathan.
That was sick.
She's got it. She's doing it.
Nice job.
Nice, Chica. Yo, send in the garden.
Yeah, you could have gone right there. Probably easier. Good job.
That's all right, though. That was super phenom for
Yeah,
your
that was
first
great.
time. Nice. Pew. All right, we'll go cruise some more of the trail. It's kind of just chillish, a few rocks here and there. Do have this one little tricky rock right here. Then you can, yeah, it's very, very odd coming into that one. All right, now a little hop rock here. Woohoo! Woo. All right, now it's a little pedal time, and we'll go finish off with the other end of Mineral Way.